Hi, this project came about mostly because I'm waiting for my ESP8266 microcontroller to come in the mail and hasn't come in yet. So why not just use what's available at hand? And in my case, I have WRT54G version 2 router available, and I've got a little Digispark microcontroller available. So why not use those? The idea is to have the DSC security alarm send email alerts whenever something's triggered. So to do that, I had to make a custom DWRT firmware with a send mail enabled. And nowadays, to send an email, you need to have full encryption, so TLS and things. So it was a little bit of a chore. So what I had to do, I had to take a micro version of DDWRT and then put it onto a mini WRT54G, and that freed up almost my 2 megabytes that I needed to run this thing. So this whole thing sends email in under 4 megabytes. And anyway, to set it up, it's in the instructable, but like a quick review of what it is. So basically, you go to commands, and you have this under the startup commands. You paste this in, and then you go save startup. And then under the RC custom, you paste this from the attached files and things. And the key here is you have to have the double quotes before the script and the double quotes after. Otherwise, it won't run, and you'll have problems. Right now, I'm connected to my laptop by wire to it. And this WRT54G is connected to my home router in client mode. I tried client bridge mode, but I had more success with client mode. It's just easier to set up, less steps. Of course, that's all detailed. So without further ado, maybe I'll show how this works. For zones 1 through 2, it only sends email when the system's in armed mode. So if it's in armed mode here, oops, looks like I triggered it. Okay, so I triggered it, and what's gonna happen? I guess it didn't nothing happened. I used a notification catch app on Android. So I'm really happy with this. It's a little bit of a hack, but it does work. Also, the alarms have to have a 5.6 kilo ohm resistor. So I didn't have one of those. I just used a pot. So I can turn the alarm on and off with the pot. So there it is.